Welcome to this tutorial on OpenElement. In this video, I will show you a method to create a standard footer that will self-adjust to OpenElement created pages. As you can see, I'm using the project created for the previous tutorial, Create Your First Site with OpenElement. I start by opening the base layer. You can see an area corresponding to the bottom of the page, the footer. As the sections are all in absolute mode by default, they are independent of the size of their content. To correct the situation, I go through the responsive button, then page sections. There are two active sections, the content and the footer. I configure both sections with relative positioning mode and automatic size. Since I want my menu to stay fixed at the top of the screen, I will put it in the top sections, which I will activate and keep in absolute mode. I configure a 60 pixel height. This is the menu and anchor height used in the project. Once completed, we can see that the layer size has been reduced to a minimum. I switch to the menu layer to drag and drop the menu to the appropriate section. Next step, I create a layer for the footer that I will associate with the menu layer. The menu is at the top of the page, and you can see the page bottom in which I will insert my footer elements. I will spare you the element design, and this is what it looks like. I save everything and display the home page to associate the new layer with it. The footer appears just after the page content. I opened the info page and do the same. For the exercise, I created an extra page with content that doesn't fill my screen, leaving me with a blank area at the bottom. I add to my footer layer a block of JavaScript code with these three code lines. You can copy the code from the corresponding tutorial on the OpenElement forum. My page now fills the screen. That completes this tutorial. Hope that you find it useful and take the time to like it in my YouTube playlist.